Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the science of sleep and well-being. If you've ever wondered why you're always tired, you're in the right place. Today, we'll debunk 7 common myths that are ruining your sleep and leaving you feeling exhausted day after day. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's get started. Segment 1. The importance of sleep. Before we debunk these myths, let's first understand why sleep is so crucial for our overall well-being. Sleep is not just a period of rest. It's a vital process that allows our bodies and minds to rejuvenate and repair themselves. During sleep, our brains consolidate memories, process emotions, and reset for the day ahead. Additionally, sleep plays a critical role in maintaining a healthy immune system, regulating hormones, and supporting cognitive function. Lack of quality sleep can lead to a range of issues, including increased stress levels, decreased productivity, and even health problems like obesity and cardiovascular diseases. Segment 2. Myth 1. The more sleep, the better. Myth number 1 is that more sleep is always better. But is it? While it's true that adequate sleep is essential, oversleeping can actually have negative effects on our well-being. The ideal amount of sleep varies from person to person and depends on factors such as age, activity levels, and overall health. While some individuals may thrive on 7 to 8 hours of sleep, others may feel refreshed and energized with just 6 hours. It's important to find the right balance for your own body. Segment 3. Myth 2. Catching up on sleep. Myth number 2 suggests that you can catch up on missed sleep during weekends or holidays. Is that really true? Let's find out. While it's tempting to believe that you can compensate for sleep deprivation by banking extra hours on weekends, the reality is that it's not as effective as getting consistent, quality sleep every night. Irregular sleep patterns can disrupt your body's internal clock and make it harder to fall asleep and wake up naturally. Segment 4. Myth 3. Falling asleep instantly. Myth number 3 claims that falling asleep instantly is a sign of quality sleep. Let's explore this myth further. Falling asleep quickly can indicate exhaustion, but it doesn't necessarily mean you're getting the deep, restorative sleep your body needs. The sleep cycle consists of different stages, including light sleep, deep sleep, and rapid eye movement, REM, sleep. Each stage plays a crucial role in helping you feel refreshed and rejuvenated. So, it's important to focus on the overall quality of your sleep rather than how quickly you doze off. Segment 5. Myth 4. Counting sheep. Myth number 4 is a classic one. Counting sheep helps you fall asleep. Is there any truth to it? While counting sheep or using other repetitive mental tasks can distract your mind from racing thoughts and promote relaxation, it might not work for everyone. Different individuals find different sleep-inducing techniques effective, such as deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, or visualization exercises. It's all about finding what works best for you. Segment 6. Myth 5. Nightcaps aid sleep. Myth number 5 suggests that a nightcap before bed helps you sleep better. But is alcohol really a sleep aid? While alcohol may initially make you feel drowsy and help you fall asleep faster, it can severely disrupt the quality of your sleep. Alcohol disrupts the normal sleep cycle, suppressing REM sleep and causing more frequent awakenings throughout the night. As a result, you may wake up feeling groggy and less refreshed, despite having spent a longer time in bed. Segment 7. Myth 6. Sleeping pills as a quick fix. Myth number 6 is that sleeping pills provide a quick fix for sleep problems. Let's uncover the truth. While sleeping pills can be helpful for short-term sleep issues, relying on them as a long-term solution can lead to dependence and may not address the underlying causes of poor sleep. It's always best to consult with a healthcare professional who can guide you towards safer and more effective alternatives for improving your sleep quality. Segment 8. Myth 7. Napping is for the lazy. Myth number 7 claims that napping is only for the lazy. Is there any validity to this myth? Napping, when done right, can be a powerful tool for boosting productivity and combating daytime sleepiness. Short power naps of around 20 minutes can provide a quick mental and physical recharge, enhancing alertness and focus. However, longer naps or napping too close to bedtime can interfere with your nighttime sleep. And there you have it. We've debunked 7 common myths about sleep that may be sabotaging your rest. Remember, understanding the truth about sleep is the first step toward improving your sleep quality and feeling more energized every day. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more sleep-related content. Thanks for watching, and sleep well.